Experience the future of industrial training with the QL-WS100, the ultimate VR welding simulator powered by MetaQuest 3. Master SMAW, MIG, TIG, and FCAW processes from basic plates to complex 6G pipe joints using real-weight torches for authentic muscle memory. Our system provides instant feedback on speed, arc length, and angles, while instructors can easily track progress and generate PDF reports. Reduce material waste and eliminate safety risks with the QL-WS100. Precision welding training redefined.